super happy and blessed and honored and excited to announce to you the dates of my summer Arabic course in the Holy Land. It's going to be in the same place, Akko, the city on the beach, the old city, the same school, the fantastic one with the amazing view on the beach, and it's going to be from the 9th of July until the 20th of July. We will cover 40 learning hours, so I will take you from zero if you're a total beginner in Arabic, if you don't know anything about Arabic, or if you know some words, some letters, if you started the course and you didn't succeed a lot and you want to fully immerse yourself in the language for almost 2 weeks with me in the Holy Land. This is your chance. I'm also very happy to announce to you that I'm holding finally a Palestinian dialect course, 40 hours, same dates from the 9th of July until the 20th of July. Palestinian dialect, which means a Shami dialect, which is a dialect spoken in the Sham areas, Palestine, Jordan, Lebanon and Syria. All the details, you will find them in the link that I will give you in the website. You will not believe how much or how many things you will be able to learn in these 10 learning days. Along to these 10 learning days, I'll be helping you tour the city. We will learn in the morning hours, 4 hours in the morning, and then you're free to tour different cities, important places like Haifa, Nazareth, Akko itself is so important. In the north, you can even reach Tel Aviv and Jaffa, and I'll be helping you to organize all these small tours after your classes. And mainly what I do is I take 2 days. That's why the course is like almost 2 weeks and not only 10 days. I take 2 days where I take you to Jerusalem, Bethlehem, Jericho, which is the oldest city in the world, the Dead Sea. So it's an amazing experience that it's a must once you're in the country to not only learn the language but also visit these important places. So this is the announcement. The course will start on July 9th and it will end in July 20th. You have all the information needed in order to apply, or even extra, a lot of information for you to think about. Maybe this is the right course for me or maybe not. So all this information and how to apply are in the link that I'm giving you here in the description of this video. Go there, apply. You have 2 months to apply. So all the information about the beginner Arabic course are the same for the Palestinian Arabic course. The hours are the same. We will be teaching in 2 different rooms but in the same building. So it's going to be a fantastic experience because it's the first time that I combine 2 courses together, so both students from different levels. All the information, you will find it also in the website of the course. See you there. Ma salama. This is your chance to participate in a life-changing experience. So I'll be waiting for you there. Apply and send this news and this video to your friends and family, and hope to see you there and to be able to teach you amongst all of my other students from all over the world. Yalla, ma'a salama, see you this summer.